Good morning, gurus. Welcome to a beautiful weekend. I hope you have an amazing Sunday with your family and friends. Bitcoin sitting at 67,000 right now. Huge bounce back from 52K. We added trades down here at 52K, so this was a beautiful bounce. Fear and greed index sitting at 74. Very greedy right now. Funding fees in the positive. Bitcoin 67,200. Look at this pump up. Bull flag forming as well on the 1 hour chart. That's a small bull flag. Volume spiking as well the last 5 hours plus yesterday. Huge spike in volume, one of the biggest volumes we've seen in a while, actually, consistent buying volume, which is very interesting to see on Bitcoin. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, and I'm going to see if you requested any tickets. Hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And again, congratulations on this big Bitcoin move right now, 67,170. On the monthly charts, stochastic is overbought. Now what I'm looking for is actually still overbought and heading up above the 1 year trend line. Let's go on closer on the stochastic on the weekly, heading up from oversold. Big volume coming in this week. 23 hours left, but we already had 750,000 Bitcoin traded. You can see up here, 750,000 on the week. Last week we had 840,000. Week before 900,000. So a lot of Bitcoin being traded right now. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, fired a blue buy in 2023, still blue buy now, didn't flip sell. The Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy just yesterday, which is interesting and good. I like to go, all these indicators, as I teach in the Crypto Master Course, they're all giving you information. My first wave target is in effect. We're coming close, 72K, which is beautiful. And you can see that we're in this channel on the daily. Each candle represents 1 day. Again, you can learn this in 12-hour in-depth courses in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. You learn all this. Bouncing between 56, 72, 53, and heading up to 71. My first wave target is 72. And this is very good news for this new Elliott wave count, everyone, because it's quite a big move on the first impulse. And remember, the first impulse, where it ends, that's going to give us the first impulse. Then we're going to have the first to second wave, corrective wave. Now, what that information gives us is very good information. Why? Because now we know the second to third wave is going to be bigger than the first impulse wave. So already the first impulse wave is this distance here. So whenever the first impulse wave finishes, we have the first to second corrective. The second to third impulse wave is going to be bigger than this first impulse wave. So that's great news because this first impulse wave is actually quite big right now. Let's go into the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, we're heading up. My first wave target's following my white line that I drew quite a while ago, actually. On the 5th of June, I drew this, and it's 5th of July, and we're heading up towards my 72K target, which is beautiful. On the 1 hourly, heading up as well. I would take the same trade from yesterday. I think yesterday didn't activate. We're just moving up. I would try to take it from the supports here. Why? Because I can see that on the 4 hourly, like I said yesterday, you've got this inverse head and shoulders forming. Target 73. You need a little bit of a pullback to try and get in. I would try to get it on major support here. Tight stop loss. I wouldn't go in heavy now when you're at the peak of the first wave before the first to second corrective. That's the trade I would activate. 63746, stop loss 63123. Take profit 72 and 88K, risk toward 42 times, risking $622 to make $26,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $260,000. And if you're thinking that that's not correct, this is my buy bit trade right now. My account 605,000. This week we went from 550,000 to 605. So in the last 7 days I'm up $55,000, which is beautiful. And my Bitcoin trade is $35,000 in the profits. Remember when this trade was negative 24,000? And look where I entered the trades. If you look at my buys, we literally got, I entered at 60K over there, but I bought some at exactly on the bottom almost. You can see my buys here close to the bottom. And now we're at $35,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. And I got a lot of heat when that trade was negative 24,000, even though it's $267,000 trade. So when it was negative 24,000, it was only really 10% down. Now it's plus 35,000. So I had a $59,000 swing on this trade. Now $35,000 in the profits, $59,000 swing. And we're up 605. And let's see what's pumping right now. I've got 183 USD. Bitcoin 85K up 1%, which is beautiful. MCRT slightly down. Doge up 7%, pumping. I've got 50K of Doge. Doge is up 7% today, which is interesting. World is down 4%. Uni swap up 1%. Pocket is slightly down. And my Bitcoin trade, $35,000 in the profits. Congratulations, anyone who followed that trade. That was a great trade. Let's see if when does Trump speak at the crypto convention? It's not next week. I'm not too sure about that. Have to check. Cool video. Thank you very much. Love you, James from Pakistan. I'm following you since the last 2 months. Great predictor ever. I have a query. Bitcoin volume is decreasing on the daily 1 hour charts. Not recently. As I just showed you, it's actually increasing. I think it's a fake move. No, it's the first impulse. What's your thought about it? First impulse. Kindly reply me. Your thoughts will be much valuable for me. Beautiful. Thank you for the message. I think volume is confirming this, and I think the first impulse takes us to 72K. Such credible information. Could you please tell me which platform is for buying stocks like Tesla in Canada? The best ones for Americans is Charles Schwab, Hood, and Interactive Brokers. However, Hood, guys, be careful about Hood. Be careful about Hood. My opinion is Charles Schwab and Interactive are the best. Hood is an up-and-coming one, Robinhood. It's an up-and-coming one. However, it's kind of like a fintech kind of thing. So they make a lot of money. They make a lot of fees. They're a publicly traded stock. Charles Schwab, also an Interactive Broker, is publicly traded, but they've been here for a while, and they're my favorite for buying stocks. Love buying the fear and greed under 30. Don't sweat 10% moves. Think big picture and through the cycle. Beautiful, Robert. James, you're the fucking nuts, bruv. I wish I was following you 3 cycles ago. Thank you, Crypto Mill. My kids are happy to hear the intro again. Great, Stephanie. Thank you for that. I put the intro back. James, you're amazing, bro. Jamesy, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to do Jamesy because that keeps getting requests. James, let's be realistic. None of your Bitcoin trades were activated during 2 months. The one you have open was emotional. Just good luck. Agree. Not agree. Because my trade, you can see it opened 2 weeks ago. I think I posted this video where I opened a $267,000, where I opened it on that big Bitcoin nuke. And you can also come into the Telegram. There's 108 of you online. Congratulations on World Long and just people trading and sharing their charts. And this is a very well moderated group right now. So you have 106 people on right now. In the peak, it's around 500 people that are online. So you can trade and talk with them. Okay, Jamesy's been requested a lot. I don't really know what that crypto is, Jamesy, so I'm going to check it out right now. This is on Binance. So this is how I'm researching. First, I would go to CoinMarketCap. Wow, crazy. The token launched all the way at 0.04 in 2021. It launched and went to 0.04, and then it just dropped during the whole bear market and just 0.49 and then just bled out. And now it started to bounce back. We've got some volume and getting a bounce back. If you bought the bottom on Jamesy, you're already up 1,000%, 10x, 1,000%. So it's not really the time to buy after it did a 10x, everyone. Be very cautious about jumping in after we got a 10x, if you got a 10x. This is a channel, Jamesy. It's in this channel. So target on Jamesy based off this channel. Stochastic oversold as well. The problem is volume is a little bit weak, but if volume can pick up on the weekly, the top of the channel target will be 0.04. So another 10% or 20% from 25% from here would be the target of this channel if this channel continues on Jamesy. But the problem is volume is dropping, so you need to see volume start to increase to confirm that push up on Bitcoin. Amazing, thank you. Doge, please. Okay, I'll do Doge in the next video. Legend and Genuine, thank you everyone for the well wishes. Could you please XRP videos regularly? Too many moon boys not giving honest analysis on XRP. XRP on the bigger time frame, I shared on the bigger time frame that XRP is breaking out of this descending, massive descending triangle. You see this? A little bit of symmetrical, but more descending, I would say. And you can see that breakout already occurred. So if this confirms, and there is a volume spike confirming it. So we are having a volume spike right now. So it has the potential, XRP volume continues to come in to go to these upper targets. But some news, something will have to be a catalyst to set that off. Thanks for watching, everyone. In the next video, I'm going to do Doge. Love you all. Let me know in the comment section anything you'd like me to analyze or any questions. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an amazing Sunday with your weekend. Be really appreciative of your gifts and this moment. Enjoy your time with your family and friends. Be grateful for every moment. You're not guaranteed tomorrow. The people in your life right now, they're not guaranteed to be there tomorrow. So really appreciate the moment. Don't get too caught up in anything that's not right now in the present moment. Anytime you're thinking about the past, you're imagining it's not real. Every time you're thinking about the future, you're imagining it's not real. The only thing that's real is right here and right now in this current moment. Everything else is your imagination. Only what you see, what you hear, and what you are feeling right now in your this moment is real. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.